Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now let him come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Basically we got Mo3 manager Rainwater. Um, Obviously I broke this up into clips. So if you haven't already, man, go watch the um two previous videos before this. I do have a certain amount of videos I like to get out on a daily basis, so make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. That's the main reason of me breaking this up into clips. Now, shout out to Real Life Street Stars, because without Real Life Productions, man, aka Real Life Street Stars, these videos wouldn't be possible. So make sure y'all go support them. Let's get straight into it. Let's get it. Let's go.
Fella went to jail for murder yesterday. Man, they ain't tried too nice up or down. They did some goofy shit yesterday and posted Yella went to jail for murder. Y'all was playing all the songs he was dissing them on. Y'all influenced it. Y'all was playing all his diss records and said y'all wasn't playing none of Mo3 songs. Y'all did it. Y'all got bloods on y'all hands too. Nigga, even after Mo3 died, I'm still telling them, man, y'all gonna still keep on playing. They still, whatever he got, they playing it. You understand what I'm saying? I bet D-Young won't come out with that song. Don't switch up now. That's y'all nigga. Stay right there. Don't switch up now. That's y'all nigga. Baby, keep doing what you was doing. Put them in the get home safe shirt. Come on. That's y'all nigga. Don't stop it now. Don't detach yourselves. Stay over there.
Now, let's speak on it, because you said you really believe there was over some jealous baby daddy stuff. And mind you, and I let them speak for themselves, I thought it was the same thing. I never thought it was anything bigger than a jealous baby daddy. When you wake up and you saw the news come down, mind you, this is almost 5 years ago now. That means, of course, and we'll speak on that, means something happened for them to make this move. What was your surprise level to see what it is? Did you believe it at first when the news came in? And how did you hear about it? What site did you see it?
So Player.
Someone call you. Okay,
So Player, the reason why it hit the internet.
Yeah, okay, shout out to Player.
So Player knew 20 minutes, and I was on the phone with him. He said, bro, I just got some news. I said, what? He said, I'm not gonna tell you because I want to be the first. And I said, what? He said, Yella just went to jail for murder. I'm like, for real? He's like, yeah. He's like, I think it's for Bubba. And then I read it like, dang, after the cat, come on. So I started calling around, and then I stopped. I said, Lodiz is probably doing this shit, so he went in there for tickets and tried to make me look crazy. I'm up for calling all these people. So I went back and called all 40 people, said, nah, it's for tickets. And then they sent me the paperwork like, damn, this nigga there, you, man. But, you know, I always thought it wasn't for a jealous baby daddy, but I know how insecure he was. So I know how insecure they are about being a gangster. Like, people want to glorify that shit. So I kept saying it's a jealous baby daddy because I wanted somebody to come out and say, and I started getting phone calls like, Oak Cliff niggas were calling around saying, man, tell Rainwater, shut this bitch ass up. You know it was a bag. Like, they was calling, trying to explain they was gangster. You know what I'm saying? So I just kept on doing it. You know how in school you see a nigga like, man, you ain't shit. I bet you won't do this, bet you won't do that. And then you watch them crash out. I was just wanting somebody to speak up and crash out. And you know, at the beginning, Yella got blaming Freddie.
Why you say that?
You see the look on his face when he asked him, you wanna go look at some gangster, you wanna hear some gangster music? And he played that diss song, and then Freddie kept on with them diss songs. He kept on, and Yella probably look over there like, man, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
We got to play it all back in our head how now, with this coming out, how everything happened from the moment it happened up until technically now. You got to look at mannerisms. You got to look at, you got to look at everything.
Now, they was happy at first. I would be happy too. Man,
there was a,
you gotta get this, you got this big gorilla on y'all back. He made it hard for niggas to move. You know what I'm saying? Like, straight up, like, man, 3, hell,
When people say 3 wasn't really sliding, what do you say to that?
Man, that nigga 3 was, I don't know. Yeah, 3 was a fool. That nigga was a monster. He'd get on them tracks and just slide. Do you get on them tracks and just slide on that track? Yeah, well, that nigga, that rap his ass off.
Do you feel like people saying justice for Mo3 is a valid statement?
Nah, hell nah. Hell nah. Because I mean, as grown men is doing what they wanted to do.
Right.
Like, you know, the devil, like I said, the devil give you the tools to destroy yourself. Mm-hmm. These people had as much powers on top of the world, and they go for Mo3 too. You don't get no sense neither. Y'all was on top of the world and went to war. Mm. You understand what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Like literally went to war. Mm. This shit, nigga, this shit was more deadlier than Biggie and Pac. Mm. You know what I'm saying? So it's vice versa though. I can't be biased here. You know what I'm saying? I can't. I said that about Lil Running. Can't be biased, can't say. Because them type of people wanted that shit. They wanted their image. Mm. You know what I'm saying?
You said it was two people that really started this.
Right.
So you said...
Yayo number one.
Who's the second?
It's a bitch. Mm. It's a bitch.
Money Mine?
Yeah. Yeah, she started everything. Mm. Yeah, she started everything. She probably get picked up next. She started everything.
Is D Hair Boutique, she gonna get picked up?
Huh? Say it again?
D Hair Boutique, which is...
Nah, why D gonna get put up?
Money's on money, man. I don't know.
Nah, D let me say D and 3 stayed in the same apartment when 3 and Yella first met each other.
Yeah, they had a back and forth, I remember.
And it was a bet. Who fuck her first? And
that's a real thing.
Yeah, you got a girl with a bunch of foreigns downstairs and 1 child in the condo and, you know, big ass. And Yella won. But they was, D didn't start talking and getting involved in it till after they started getting into it. Yeah. Yella never said a word. She was making posts like, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing I can't give it to him. He never talked.
He never said a word.
Like
they wanted it.
Yeah, he wanted it. Yeah. So you know what I'm saying?
He talked more about Boosie than he talked about 3.
I think he was more hurt about that. But he never talked like.
He said keep it in the streets.
Yeah, we said. Yeah, he
did keep it in the streets.
No, he did. He did. A little bit.
A little bit. All right, y'all. Next. Gotta keep going. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure that like button, make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Next video. Well, not next video. Next part of the interview. Y'all know what's going on.